Welcome to Al and Bud's Oasis, here at the Golden Tiki. I'm Al.
And I'm Bud.
Hello?
Over here.
Up here.
See me?
Hey, Bud.
Hey, cheap bastards. Don't forget happy hour is every day from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
That's me sidekick, Bud. He's a little tasty, a.k.a. hungover, from too much blowing hookers the night before.
You can never have too much blowing hookers.
Ah, yes. It's why we love Vegas.
Hey, you. Come here. Come closer so I can shit in your Mai Tai.
That's not funny, ass face.
Sorry. Fuck, they're ugly.
Well, we're off the strip. All the pretty people are on the strip.
Oh.
This reminds me of that song.
What song?
The Dicky Room.
All the birds sing words and the flowers croon in the dicky 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 room.
Everybody sing.
In the dicky 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 room, in the dicky 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 room. All the birds sing words and the flowers croon in the dicky 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 room. Someone
Put acid in my water.